Google Sheets makes your data pop with colorful charts and graphs. Built-in formulas, pivot tables, and conditional formatting options save time and simplify common spreadsheet tasks. When paired with CData Connect Cloud, you get instant cloud-to-cloud access to live data for visualizations, reporting, and more. In this video, we walk through creating a virtual database for live Snowflake data in CData Connect Cloud, accessing the CData Connect instance from Google Sheets, and adding a simple chart. If you wish to follow along, you need a CData Connect Cloud instance, a Snowflake account, and access to Google Sheets. Start by logging into your CData Connect instance and clicking Databases. To connect to Snowflake, you need the server address, username, and password. You also need the warehouse, database, and schema. Click Test Database to ensure that you have configured the connection properly. You now have a virtual database that allows you to connect to your Snowflake data from Google Sheets. To connect from Google Sheets, start by logging into Google Sheets and creating a new sheet or opening an existing one. Next, install the CData Connect add-on. Click Add-ons and click Get Add-ons. Search for CData Connect and select the CData Connect add-on. Authorize the connector. Back in Google Sheets, click Add-ons and open the CData Connect connector. Use your instance name, username, and password to connect to your CData Connect Cloud instance. Click Create to access Snowflake data through your Connect Cloud instance. Select the Snowflake virtual database, select a table and fields, and add any sorting, filtering, and limits. Click Execute. After connecting to your Snowflake data, select the data you wish to visualize and pick a chart type. At this point, you have a direct cloud-to-cloud connection to live Snowflake data from Google Sheets. Now you can easily visualize, report on, and analyze your Snowflake data with no need for replication. For more information on CData Connect and to sign up for a free trial, visit cdata.com/connect/cloud and see the CData difference for yourself.